Malapito beli lau pea kole ke upanga penga pata koia pa kiatu me he malapit po ini ma FMA kata ke wahokatu ai Ulukalala koia o Hawani ai kono amanaki ke hopoki pe kono whaionga i koia o ngā haue koia na whahoko mai koini hoko atu koia hange no toi ke palai mo whafo o koia ai Wafu kun Salote an koe i mauwhanga ia pēha i he taimini koe whanaunopo ai kau whāpe i he taimini pē hoki ki he mau pēa moe kauhiwa koe ai maapa mai moa koe maapa ne nau watu pē ngā hiwa ane nā yange tari koe ni ki he tuuta ai ene apio King Tupou'o i he wafu kun Salote i he Ulukalala ia pongpongini koia whatawa ke pe o ku ongolele atu po olele atu ki he wheitu kotoa pe o he o tongani pe mo morina foki o ku mautolo koia mo mea mai i he walfit po ini ma FMA reti o ia ka ma foki ai Facebook ai BroadCom FM broadcasting me he wafu kun Salote ia pe whafo pito ai hon ki malo hiulo mai koia la ka ku moko opito e peangaki ai ia o halamuna pe foki ki hala Tonga i wafu kun Salote i he pongpongini pe ke i he no fo i koia o taimini koen i he anu wa koini wa koi ai ka toanga o pongpongini ma ke tawaki ki he whaka hihifo te hanga tupe meheni ki he wafu tau ahau ai anga koia tu koe katoanga koia o e pongpongini pea i he taimini ku o si mea heni ai eki pare mea Tonga pea mokna tole kau minista he foki ki he hou eiki no pere ene fio kau ba foki ai kau taki koia ngahi ngau e pureanga mo e kau taki fofonga pureanga muri koia i e taimini koe tūtai ni kuen foke Palestini o Papua New Guinea i he kātoanga koni pea ku pea kātoa ki kolunga kano tātari koia ai Palestini koni o Papua i he hoko koe Ulukalala koe tu koe a Ulukalala pongpongini whawhawhua kai ki hoko hangupulu tūtai ene awhio pea i he Ulukalala koe whasi whawhonua lawa pea e hoko atu ki ha mea tautari e whahokoia e he tokoni paremia o po Tongatapu Daniela Puswalohi pea i hoko tu lewa ki he himi uruaki e spela tuia e alo ki hakau Majesty ko e tare ki taia a Port Authority Tonga hoko tu lewa ki he lotu e whaopeia e paseni leo Sesquicentennial taina Tonga whawikau ali Fereti Atiola lava pe ia e hokatulewa ki he whamatala ki he ngāue ko ia ko lava e whakatuia e Mr. Scott Cummins ko e tare ki taia o e kautaha koini a naulanga koini ai wapu ai ma kono Dowell Construction Limited lava pe ia oku iai ai temi me he o kai kwaia ai kaungau koini ai me kono Dowell ai a koe langi mai taini lava pe ia hokatu ki he lea whapafonga ia ai Asian Development Bank nau whapaanga ai ranga kone wapu e whakatu e Emma Veve koe tarekita senia rea o e ADB Pacific Department pea i he lava pe ia e hokatu lewa ki he whapafonga ai mea ai whapafonga me he pureanga Australia ko His Excellency Mr. Brett Pedley tampinis kalaunieni kune mea mai hono mea anga i taimini pea Brett Pedley ai ko e komisiona Australia pea pe foki ki he whawhei eri awhio ke haere ke ahi ki he ngāue koe ni kuolava i he wafukun Salote horu lewa ki a whameite i he laupe koe ia ai whameite koe lea whamalo koe minister ia whafunga ia koe ia ai pureanga minister ia o e Tuku'aho pia mo e kasomo Honorable Mateni Tabueluelu pea pe foki ke hokatu ke himi tuku e lau atu ia e te Tuku'aho ko e tare kita leo ia o e punngau e ko ia ai pureanga ke ngahi ngau mo e anga lalahi ia po e kelesi pe foki ke fatwa konua pe ko lau le ia ai katoanga ko ia o e pong ini whakatu me he wafu Queen Salote lava hoki ai katoanga ane ngai katoanga pe ni ke hoko whataha peia pea mo e tau teo ni manoa ko ia o e koni stutone hangi ko ane hu ko e haua tau mawha pongpongi ai prayer breakfast ne whako ia ki he ho whamanatu ko Queen Salote ko e katoa ngai ni ai hopoki hono whafo o po e whalahi me ngāu e koia ki he Wharf Queen Salote hoko mai ki ai pea toi hoko te poki a hoa tā ki he whariari ia ai ngahi ai whariari ngō ue ia e whakoia ki he marae o e Tonga High School koia koe ngahi, koe kamatai ngahi kātoanga ki hoko whakatahape pa mo e tau te au ni mango fulu koe ni o e koni sūtone ka rotonga koe ni tau whamatala koia ki he koni sūtone ai o tau iai mo ngahi kātoanga poki amanaki ki he apongpongi koe ui ka u o hoko pehe atu peha hu iai manatu merie ki he koe manatu merie nia ki he senturi o koni sūtone koe tau teo ni manoa pokeni koe senturi koe o koni sūtone na wha koni sūtone i he tawal whitni maa ne senturi i he tau taiwa whitni maa peka manatu merie e ngai kātoanga lalahi e taimi koe ia ai koe taimi koe ia lau kei form 4 i hako malunga tonga ai manatu pe koe ke ngai kātoanga koe nai whai fu sivihi walahi ia sivihi walahi ia nai whao ki pangai lahi ai mehe ai kau kia i ngahi siasi sivihi vai ngahi siasi klasi ke ngahi siasi ai tokoni he mea lea koe tae mea lea peke koe tā mea koia me ngahi kalapu me ngahi tū kui kolo kau maa poki ai pe auhi siwi kawai ai ngahi lautohi si ai tano ke tau te awani oi koni sūtone ke whawhewana kia pe mo e anga koia a hano teu i ai ngahi katoanga koni ke tau te au ni manoa pea le hau le wholau mai pe mo ngahi tukui mo tuia nau wholau mai mo nau ngahi whaiva pea mo ngahi wheitu upene wahi ke nau nofu ai rai tokolahi au pito a Nuku'alofa i he taimi koia pea manatu kende ke ia ko taimi po uri lewa le hoko ai tu papana wa ia palo kia po i aho e tolu a he wha ka koe ako malunga Tonga ko nau tolu ia ne nau tu papana wa nau tolu mei pakai boto ko songa mahalo mei makaha ma ko swai ako mei whawha mo takataka i pehe ai mo e Tupou High School mo ngahi kolisi ko ia paupene kau ai kolisi ko Tupou pea koe ngahi lautohi pule anga mo ngahi kolisi ke hepe ai i mei whonualahi ia whaka ofa opita i taimuli ka koe whaari taha koe ai tūpaka pakanawa koe kao ai ale whaikeka katoa pe ai ngahi ako ai ko ki motu ka whapofua pe taimi ono pata mai pe ki whaua he kao pato ki tuwha holo he kao i he taimi ko ia pa ko mautolu koe ni tonga hai ko pakai motu mo kau whai ako he taimi ko ia matui lelei ko sione mau pe he poki ki mafi hausia tonga i ko ia kau tupa wanawa kane tau ato pe kau tupa wanawa koe tonga hai ia pau pe nai ai kau nofo ia io kai koe nau leo koe ia koe kau Emerson unau iai ka koe nau ngahi puu ha kau si aine ku tau pe he taimi koe ia he kei ani koe ilonga au pito e ai whiriwaki koe ea ke keina koia ai ngahi fon ai matatahi taimia ne one lahi au pito ngai motu hapa nge ulai ulu fauia i he matatahi pau ke te hao ki tai ke te tau ki loto fonua koi pangai motu ka koe taimini ko te tuuta pe ku i he one ko loto fonua le vai ka le lavat pa mga kausi aine mana tawa te kau tonga hai mai ale pa o kai nau tau le se aine koe ta koe se aine a kau no foko i ai ka koe ori taha tufa kono whetutuku koe ke foki koe lava koe e tupa wanawa o tuka tonga hai o sia kau polisi katake kau tupa wanawa tonga hai mo ha o heni koe launga me pangai motu koe kai ha ai koe kono kai koe kau sai ne koe na koe pakai motu kai ke ma ko pakakata pe me pakai motu kana toi tuang e pe kau tu bana ma ka koe tai mia koe ia ai ngai ka toanga koe fusi vi walahi koe ni koe na tu ki ai la be la le pe si vi koe pangai be ya o pe ke aho ani koe lahi koe ai ngai kere kui koe i he kasi kau hiwa pea ma kau hiwa tolai puhiwa mari ia kolmotua ke manatu ke o atu pe ina wikuna ai pea hui sihiwa koe ma me alea koristutone kau hiwa taimi koe ko Simeone tambo folau ai hiwa ne nau hiwa ai koe pa ata tu pe i ngai le tio te hiwa ke te koe e o tu ai mau koe ku manatu ia koe ai manatu ia koe ai koe hiwa koe ia mandu lele koe ai feo hisi hiwa koe ia ai lele peo mei aho ai ngai ka toa ngai koe tau te au eni oi ko ni stutone i tau taiwa fini ma manat meri ki ai mai lava mai koe ia mei to koe motu mana ngai faiwa ho toki ta fata pe koe i pangai pe ho koe pe moe hoa tau mafa moe ngahi whaiwa maari ano tā koe o e ngahi whaiwa Ka I e taimini o ku o si tu laini pe ai api ako ai api ako kolisi apo o I hu mai pe ko ia ki he wapu Salote ha o ai o tu laini pe ai kana wako ko sa po ko tu pe o ki heni pe mo fa ko ni GMS a maufanga o Tonga ai o nau asu mana tolu I he wafu kun Salote I pungpoin ko ia ke fa no fo pe taimini ai nau to ko nau lava mai ka kafe ke tu ta ko ia ai ha ere ka mata ko ia ai Ulukalala o pungpong ni ko ia pa dang pe wa ule le atu ki he Tupouto'a pe o mamani o ku iai a moto ko ia ai ka Tonga mo ka wara mai mo mau tolu ko ni Tonga ni no ka Tonga I tau teu ni mango pulu o ko ni stuto ne mo pa no mai pe ngai Ulukalala ne o atu na to ka ule no io ko ka tau kei mo ilo ko ia ki pa unga ko ni stuto ne Ulukalala ko nu pa o atu pe I he valfit po ni ma e pa ma pe o atu I he live stream BroadCom FM broadcasting ngai fa matala mari wa ko mea ki na to ko ia o ku nau ilo lele apito ke ko ni stuto ne na o fa matala pe ngai ngoa e Paula no fe la tu fa fe kau pe ki ai sea havea tau mai peau o Linda Simiki flau mai tu pea mo nau tolu tola na e whaongona atu ko ia Ulukalala pea mo panalisa palu ai office pale mi ia mo walfit poini ma e whaama no whaka o koini e kauta me kono me Nusila ko e kauta koini nau tolu pe ko ia nau langa koe ai hala whakawakawa koina ai whanga uta Lagoon Bridge ai ne whaihono malani I he weekend pe ai ne whako I he loto kai ano I wholaha ka toanga fia ia ka koeni koe ahoni koe wafu kun Salote wafu ia tau mai kia ia ngahi wholawa ka keke le lava lele koe ia no langa koe ia mono whalele ia wapuna le hoko tuki ai tau mai koe ngahi mail steamer ngahi cruise liner koe ia mei toa buleanga o nau ngau aki ai wafu kouna ronga ia ku whai ngā ue koe ni ki he wafu kun Salote Hage ko ia e mo mea mai o ku mea heni e preseni koia ai puleanga Papua New Guinea unes mea heni pea mo e Pinis Kalauni Tupouto'a Ulukalala koia i taimini e taimisi pe me e taimini tuuta ene a fio koia ke i tatal whiwhi ai pea ki motolo koia mei tua puleanga motolo mei Amerika lahi Australia, New Zealand pe whi tua mamani o mo mea mai mei ai tau kau kua taha pongbongin koia koe haere whenwhe ani ke whamahino koe haere kone tuta ihe wapun Salote ene a fio King Bowana
Whakatapu ki awhia o tua mafi ho tauloto lo Tonga. Whakatapu mo ene awhio, tamatu i ko Tupou ono, ko la a hopo mo hau o i otu Tonga. Tapu mo tama pirinis kalauni, Tupouto'a Ulukalala, mo i hou eiki o i whanua. Tapu mo ko wana senyale o Papua New Guinea, His Excellency, Grand Chief Sir Bob Dadae. Tapu mo eik palemia mo kau minista o i kapneti. Tapu mo Palestine le o isia spesiliana tau ataina a Tonga mo haalotu. Tapu mo kioa mo haa tau hifonua. Tapu mo ngahi tuunga kotoa pe mo haa kotoa pe o tonu ke whakatapua. Kioa, whakamole mole pe, tuku mua ke u whakaunga atu he tala whaunga o i whanua mo i lotu, kai ata mo i whinemutu ani ke whakahoko atu ai whatohungia ko hono whakatau kei o i ngahi polokalama o i katoa ngani. Ko lea tali e whakahoko e Honourable Daniela Fusimalohi, ko tokoni pare mia, Minista ngahi ngawe lalahi, me mo Minista Meidak. Ko himi e lauia e alo ki hakao mai leseni, ko tale ki tapure o poate taulanga. E whakahoko lewa ai lotu whakatapui o i ngāue kua ha ele ai, he ene awhio, ai taulanga whakawaha apure anga Queen Salote, e Palestini le ole o siasi Brasiliana tawataina o Tonga, me se ke lahi o siasi whai whekau ali wheleti mone. Your Majesty King Tupou VI, Your Royal Highness Crown Prince Tupouto'a Ulukalala, Your Excellency Grand Chief Sir Bob Dadae, Governor General of Papua New Guinea, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, The Honourable Deputy Prime Minister and Minister of Infrastructure, Honourable Dr. Daniela Fusimalohi, will offer the welcome remarks, followed by our first hymn read by Mr. Aloki Hakau Maileseni, Chief Executive Officer of Ports Authority Tonga. The dedicatory prayer will be delivered by the Secretary General and Acting President of the Free Wesleyan Church of Tonga, Reverend Alfaleti Mone.
Ki o mai be mo hanga fua ho pangai ke whai ai ha whakauha I he lea whakapapalangi ko hui ko tūkunga o aho. Your Majesty, King Tupouto'a VI, Governor General of Papua New Guinea, Sir Bob Dadai, Your Royal Highness, Crown Prince Tupouto'a Ulukalala, Honourable Aisake Eke, Prime Minister of Tonga and Cabinet Ministers, Members of Parliament, Members of the Diplomatic Corps, Members of the Clergy, Emma Veve, Director General for Asia and the Pacific of the Asian Development Bank, Michael Hassan, Assistant Secretary of the Australian Infrastructure Investments Facility for the Pacific, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen. Your Majesty, this project, the upgrade of the Queen Salote International Wharf, took several years to prepare. Finally, 3 years ago, on the 26th of October 2022, the groundbreaking of this infrastructure project took place. Your Majesty, we are not only gathering here today to commission a new and upgraded gateway for Tonga, but also to witness the renewal of what has been here before. The original Queen Salote Wharf was commissioned almost 60 years ago in 1967 under the leadership of His late Majesty, King Tauwhahau Tupouto'a IV. This was a significant investment under the very first 5-year comprehensive development plan for Tonga, prepared in 1965-1966 under the Prime Ministership of His late Majesty and the assistance and investment by the Asian Development Bank. Today, we are commissioning a new and upgraded Queen Salote International Wharf again, funded by the Asian Development Bank, with additional financing from the Australian Infrastructure Investment Facility for the Pacific. The bank is represented here today by the Director General Emma Veve, who had traveled from Manila to attend this significant milestone. A visit 2 months ago by the Asian Development Bank Vice President Scott Morris signified the importance of this investment to Tonga's economic development. These visits demonstrate the commitment by the Asian Development Bank to Tonga's development and the strong relationship between the government of Tonga and the Asian Development Bank. The Asian Development Bank and Australia are our key partners through their financial contribution to the project. We welcome Michael Hassan from the Australian Infrastructure Investment Facility for the Pacific. The additional financing from the facility ensured the continuity in the delivery of the civil works and the project remaining on its critical path. This resulted in meeting the milestone of completing ahead of schedule. The Government of Tonga is pleased to have partnered with Australia and the Asian Development Bank to deliver a high-quality project with climate resilience as a key focus. We welcome the Chief Executive Officer of McConnell Dowell, Scott Cummings, and Managing Director Fraser Wiley, who were tasked with the hardest work of delivering on time and within budget, and with the difficult situation of the global pandemic. Yet, they understood the strength and the heart of the Tongan people and employed them, trained them, and treated them respectfully. We also welcome David Perby and Rajesh Mudalaya of the Royal Haskoning, who have provided the supervision of the civil works, ensuring that technical standards and safety was at the highest level. Royal Haskoning is a company with maritime expertise, and we're responsible for the detailed engineering design of this project. The Tonga Customs, the Ports Authority of Tonga, the shipping agencies, custom brokers, importers and suppliers from the private sector are here. They are the beneficiaries of this investment and who promote further the economic development of Tonga. May today's commissioning and the celebration of Tonga's 150th year of the Constitution be remembered as testament to the vision and wisdom of the leadership that were first laid down by King Tupou I and fostered by His Majesty, the late King Tupouto'a IV. It is a privilege indeed to welcome Your Majesty to the commissioning of the new and upgraded Queen Salote International Wharf. And I welcome everyone who are here to witness this commissioning by His Majesty. Ko ngā weni ki hono langa fo o e wafu whakawaha pureanga ko Queen Salote, na e taulahi hono whakakaukau i. Pea I o katopa wanoa ua na e kamatai ai langa. Kau tau I heni ke tau mata ai langa fo o ni, mo toi whakafoki e tau manatu, ki he ngāwe na I heni peki moa. Na e fufua langa ai wafu Queen Salote I he malu o e tataki ai la a ko unga whanua, tui ko tau whaahau tupu whaa. I he fuafua palani whakalakalaka tau nima, na e whakotutu mo whapaanga e he panke a esia. Na e fuafua ngāwe aki, a e wafuni he tahi wano fitu, koe mei tau ia e ononga fu tupu kuohiri. Koe ahoni, ko toi toko ni mai a e panke a esia, pia moe pureanga o Australia, ke whapaanga hono langa fu o I wafu whawaha pureanga, ko Queen Salote. O kui he nei e kau whaafufonga me iai he ahoni. Ke whakahaa e nau tuku pā, ki he langa ke tokoni, ki tonga ki he ene whakalakalaka. Na e whakahoko foki ai ngāweni e kau taha koe makone o tau, pia kua lava ki moa, koe ngāwe le leimo maonga onga he taimina tonu ki osiai. Na e toka ngai ai ngāweni e kau taha koe Royal Haskoning, o hoko koe ngāwe o kutuunga maolunga. Kene matatari ai ngahi whakatamaki, pia hoko koe matapā ki he ngahi wholauwaka. Oku heni pia moki nau tolu, te nau ngāwe aki ai uafu. Pia ku tau kātoa ngā iai, ai ngāwe ni whakataha, pia moe tau teau ni manoa, oi konistūtone. Pia ku ne whakamanatu mai, ai visone moe langi mamao, ai taki nai whai, e he ulu aki whā. Pia pātolo aki e la āku o hunga whonua, ai tui ko tau whaahau tu pōwha. O kuo langi ia ke tali lei a ho afio ke kātoa ngani pia mo ki mo tolo ko toa pe ko mo lava mai toa whaki.
Tandarien me atu ai tokoni premia ono poto ta Daniela Husmalohi ka koe himi e lawa tuia tele kita.
E ura ki e wholowhola hibi, ke o au lotu whawhetai o pongpongini. Kono whaangea au kongo fulu e wholowhola hibi. Whaataha noa, mukata ko meha ki tau hiva. Si su he taula ngau, ki he kai ngā whai wholau. Mālo peho ofi mai, ki he potu whaamatangi. Ko e tahi whaape aua, ita pea maolunga. Ko e māma kovi eni. Whakatanga ale rei.
Oh hifo. Kia mo kawatoa. Lawat begi vesi ko eni via me he same ahoni. Ta maki ake ngai fatongia. E aho katongan. Tolong full maua ngai same ko fitu e vesi. Ko koe hok toi anga. Te ke lehi iau me he efi hia. Te ke tuku ke ongo mai takatakai. Ai mawawa o e whakahao fi. O tari me he taulanga wafu kuin Salote. Ai mawawa mo e fia. He kua whai ai tau whanua. Ia o koe kaweinga pe ia o hafolau. Ke tau whanua hao. Ki ha taulanga o kuu. Koe aho ni ia. Ia o tau tuku ai pe koloria mo i whaftai ke o tua maf. Ia kulau ai whakarakaraka o whanua he lelei hono taulanga. Ia koe whakafotunga ai pe ia ki toa pureanga mo mamani lai. Ai tari kakai lelei. Ai otumotuanga o wha. Ia tuha ia mo i huafa o whai ake lau kau. Turou mo i whakapapa. Ai huafa o Queen Salote. Psalm 32 verse 7. For you are my hiding place. You protect me from trouble. You surround me with songs of victory. Let us pray. Almighty and everlasting God, on this day of dedication, we lift our hearts to you with joy and thanksgiving as we mark the completion of the upgrade and extension of the Queen Salote Wharf. We thank you for the partnership and generosity of the Asian Development Bank and the Government of Australia, and for the commitment of the Government of Tonga. We acknowledge the professional workmanship of the construction company from New Zealand in partnership with the Ministry of Infrastructure and the Tonga Ports Authority. We give thanks also for the many local workers who helped to bring this project to completion. Lord, may the truth of your word guide us today, that you are our hiding place, our protector in every storm, and the one who surrounds us with songs of victory. Bless this place with safety. Protect all who work and serve here. Bless it with purpose and service, that it may strengthen trade, improve efficiency, and bring prosperity to our islands. Bless it with stewardship. Guard this port from harm or wrongdoing. Let only what is good, lawful, and life-giving pass through its gates. We pray for your continued blessing upon His Majesty, the King, Crown Prince and the royal family, the Prime Minister and Cabinet, our esteemed guests from ADB and Government of Australia, and upon all who labor in service for this port and of our kingdom. And as this wharf bears the honored name of our late beloved Queen Salote, may her legacy of humility, service and devotion ever inspire those who serve in this workplace. Almighty God, this magnificent work of human hands, the Queen Salote International Wharf, its birth, its operations, and all who work in it. We dedicate it to your glory and honor, and to the service of our people and the kingdom of Tonga. Through Jesus Christ our Lord. Amen and amen.
lotu i ngau e kola ba pa ko e pesen le o Sesquicentennial taina Tonga ko e kau alfrete tiola ko e pomtala ni ngau e kola ba ai kau taha ma keno ai ko e tare kita Mr. Scott Cummins.
Good morning. I'd like to acknowledge His Majesty King Tupou VI, His Royal Highness Crown Prince of Tonga, Tupouto'a Ulukalala, Dr. Asaki Valuike, Prime Minister of Tonga, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen present here today for this momentous occasion. Today is a day of celebration, reflection, pride, joy, and extreme satisfaction. I'm so proud to be a part of all of what has been accomplished here at the Queen Salote International Wharf, and moreover, what this world-class facility will now provide for the people of Tonga for many years to come. To all those that have played such a significant role, the Government of Tonga, the Asian Development Bank, the Australian Government, the designers, the engineers, the constructors, we are here today opening a real legacy, a gateway to future growth, development and prosperity. I'm sure all can appreciate that tasks of this magnitude are never easy, but working seamlessly together in a collaborative manner, guided by a common and powerful aim, we now stand upon a finished facility ready for commercial operation. As the constructor of the upgraded facility, it is appropriate that I cite a few construction facts. 92 piles with an average depth of 30 metres. 36,000 metres squared of pavement using a specific technology for installation. 22,000 metres cubed of concrete poured with a dedicated, built-for-purpose on-site batching plant, operated, concrete placed and certified by locally trained Tongans. Power supply for 96 referee containers, lights for night operation, fuel on site and firefighting capability. These numbers are easily said, but could only be achieved with absolute dedication, hard work and commitment by all over the 43-month period between contract signing and today's ceremony. I would also like to add that all of this was achieved with over 1 million man-hours worked whilst not incurring any personal injury, no LTIs, lost time incidents, and no medical treatment cases. A true indicator of the professionalism and care for each other in the execution of the work. This is my first trip to Tonga, but it will certainly not be my last. Something that is very rarely achieved and which is extremely special when it is achieved has resonated with me during this visit. And that is the strength and the depth of the relationships among all stakeholders. Real partnerships built upon trust, respect, and a united common purpose has been established and will be treasured for a long time. Over and above the construction statistics, there are numerous other lasting impacts that have resulted during the period of construction that make me equally proud. I have enjoyed the opportunity to personally speak to so many who, with smiles on their faces and with pride, have shared their experience of the project. Local business persons who are excited about the future prospects and potential that now exists through greater capacity, improved reliability and confidence. Financiers who can now physically see the completed facility of what was once just a concept, and the resultant impact and the immense value that comes from the money invested. The return of expatriate Tongans to their home country to build needed infrastructure for Tonga and the pride they feel in being able to bring their skills back home. Project personnel so proud to speak to me about the various environmental initiatives employed on the project. Over 2,000 tonnes of concrete recycled into rock bags and so carefully placed to protect the coastline. 126 tonnes of steel recycled. 40,000 litres of rainwater collected for concrete manufacturing. And the many individuals who have been recipients of significant skills training, leadership development, and the attainment of formal industry recognised qualifications, and the gaining of general experience that they can take into the future. Seeing new leaders emerge and provided with development opportunity is just so very special. I spoke with one particular young lady who, with real emotion, shared with me the massive opportunity to now undertake an engineering degree on scholarship in Auckland. Although obviously excited, she said how much she will miss the environment of friendship, support, and learning she enjoyed whilst working on the project. I'm sure Susanna will be back to help us build the Whangawatu Bridge during her summer vacations. In closing, I've had an incredible week. The groundbreaking ceremony at Whangahuta earlier this week and the opportunity to spend an extended period of quality time with the McConnell team and others who have supported the project has provided me with a full appreciation of all what has been accomplished. I would like to thank Fraser Wiley, our MD of New Zealand and the Pacific, Benoit Medal, the General Manager of the Pacific, and Frank Schubert, who has tirelessly led the project team with his knowledge, expertise, and incredible passion. A project of this nature is so perfectly epitomises the purpose and values of McConnell-Dowell. We are fully committed to supporting development in the Pacific in partnership with governments, government agencies, multilateral development financial institutions, and local communities. McConnell-Dowell has been working throughout the region for 40 years. Since 2022, we've completed 2 projects in Tonga and are currently working on another 3. It is just so pleasing to know that all of what has been accomplished here can now continue to our next major project together in the Vanuatu Bridge, which, as we all know, will provide broad future opportunity for the local community. I thank all for the trust that has been placed in McConnell-Dowell and for allowing us to positively contribute to having a real impact. We are certainly proud for providing a better life here in Tonga and look forward to continuing to do so here and in the wider Pacific region for many years to come. Congratulations to all. I would now like to hand over to the McConnell-Dowell Choir. Malo Apato. Thank you.
Kare ki tai ka utahakani ma Keno Construction Limited. Mr. Scott Cummings, hoka tulewa ki he pai wape ai a koe ma kono Dowell Choir ai a Moena Pasi koe rangi mai tani. I lawa pe ia programa koia o e o koia ani e hoko atu ki ha lea me he Asian Development Bank ai a ko Mrs. Emma Vete ai a ko e tare kita pure ia i he bakoni i he Pacific Asian Development Bank. ko hiwa lo mo ni ko hiwa. Ko hiwa ko ni. Ko ngau e pe ai ma kono. Dawa limited.
Your Majesty, King Tupou VI, Your Royal Highness, the Crown Prince of Tonga, the Prime Minister of Tonga, Asaki Ike, Honourable Ministers of the Crown, Reverend Folletti Ateola, the Australian High Commissioner, His Excellency Brett Batley, and members of the Diplomatic Corps, Ministers and CEOs of government agencies, Chairman and CEO of Port Authority of Tonga, the Managing Director of McConnell Constructor Limited, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, Malo Elele, and it is my pleasure on behalf of the Asian Development Bank to be here with you today and to deliver remarks recognising the commissioning of the Queen Salote International Wharf under the Nuku'alofa Port Upgrade Project. Allow me first to pay my deepest respects to Your Majesty the King, whose presence today reflects the national importance of this project to Tonga's future. I also wish to express ADB's sincere gratitude to the Government of Tonga, the Ports Authority of Tonga, and our co-financing partner, the Australian Infrastructure Financing Facility for the Pacific, for their close collaboration in bringing this project to completion for the people of Tonga. I would also like to take this opportunity to recognise the important contribution of the donors to ADB's Asian Development Fund, ADB's major source of grant financing for Tonga. Their continued strong support for ADF plays a critical role in financing climate-resilient infrastructure investments such as this across the whole of the Pacific. The Nuku'alofa Port Upgrade Project is a US $75 million investment, of which $20 million contribution came from the AIFFP. Together, this has rehabilitated and expanded the Queen Salote International Wharf to increase port capacity, improve safety and efficiency, lower operational costs, and ensure that the port can better withstand the severe impacts of climate change. The civil works were delivered in 2 phases to allow the port to remain operational throughout. Phase 1 included the rehabilitation of Wharf 1 and construction of berthing and mooring dolphins, in addition to the development of pavement and other facilities over the eastern half of the yard area. Phase 2 comprised repairs to Wharfs 2, 3 and 4, the extension of Wharf 2, an additional mooring dolphin, the access road overlay and the development of pavements and services over the western half of the yard area. With today's commissioning, all marine and civil works are now complete and operational. These upgrades allow larger vessels to berth safely in various weather conditions, reducing shipping costs and supporting trade and therefore job creation. They also deliver important climate adaptation measures. New rock bags have been installed along the shoreline to reinforce the existing revetment. The yard has been raised up by 1 metre in its lowest areas. Drainage has been improved to manage surface water, and the container yard has been designed to avoid risks from wave crests. The use of local materials for the lean mix concrete base, sub-base and subgrade not only reduced construction costs, but also lowered greenhouse gas emissions by limiting the need for imported aggregates. Other improvements included modernised electrical, firefighting and freshwater systems. Together, these combined improvements have produced a safer and more efficient port, equipped to better withstand cyclones, sea surges and other climate-related shocks. Their achievement is even more significant given the challenges faced. Shortly after this project commenced came the COVID-19 pandemic, disrupting supply chains, labour access and increasing project costs. The successful completion of this project ahead of schedule, I'll say that again, ahead of schedule, and being delivered to high standards despite challenges reflects the hard work, diligence and collaborative approach taken by all project stakeholders during these difficult times. I would also like to highlight the broader achievements beyond the infrastructure itself. At the peak of construction, over 80% of the workforce was Tongan. That is, 146 Tongans were engaged. I acknowledge the contractor, McConnell, who has made considerable efforts to train its workforce to international standards, include equipping staff with new formal certifications and qualifications which will stand them in good stead for life. I also recognise the significant gender focus of this project, with good progress in recruiting female staff alongside training in gender awareness, gender-based violence, child protection and communicable diseases, provided in partnership with the Tongan Women and Children's Crisis Centre. These efforts have not only strengthened capacity during construction, but have contributed to long-term human resource development for the Tongan economy. Equally important has been the work undertaken to strengthen port management and operations. Staff of the Port Authority of Tonga received training in safety, security, maintenance and operations. A tariff review, asset management plan, business continuity plan and gender equality policy have all been completed. These measures will ensure that the upgraded port is not only a modern physical access, but a sustainable and well-managed one. I would like to conclude by recognising the excellent project management by the Ministry of Finance, Ministry of Infrastructure, the Tongan Port Authority and the Project Management Unit. Successfully delivering a project of this scale and complexity is indeed a testament to strong leadership, effective management and close coordination demonstrated by all stakeholders. ADB, as a long-standing partner for climate resilience in the Pacific, I can only reiterate our steadfast commitment to supporting the Government of Tonga in building resilient infrastructure that underpins inclusive and sustainable growth. We have been proud to be your partner on this important journey and look forward to continuing our collaboration on future investments for the people of Tonga. Thank you very much.
Asian Development Bank i Pacificia ko Mrs. Emma Vette. Ho lewa ki lea ia ko Hawaii. Purenga Australia. Kako High Commissioner Australia. His Excellency
Majesty King Tupou the 6th, King of Tonga. The Papua New Guinean Governor General, Your Excellency Sir Bob Dade. Crown Prince Tupouto'a, Ulukalala, and members of the royal family. Honourable Prime Minister Dr. Asake Eke, and to all ministers of His Majesty's Cabinet, to all nobles of the realm, to the Director General of the Asian Development Bank's Pacific Department, Emma Veve, to the CEOs and senior government officials, church leaders, Scott Cummins, CEO of McDonald Dow, and all your hardworking team and your beautiful choir, to the diplomatic corps and to all distinguished guests. Malo elomalie. Good morning. How wonderful it is to be here today in the presence of Your Majesty and with all of you to mark the completion of the Queen Salote International Port Project, transformative infrastructure that will strengthen Tonga's economy for decades to come. To do so on the first day of 5 days of celebrations commemorating 150 years of Tonga's constitution is especially meaningful and fitting. Tonga has the oldest national constitution in the Pacific, and by our count, the 9th oldest in the world. This week, Australia joins Tonga in celebrating its values, spirit, and proud history. I'm pleased that guests from Australia, including soon from the New South Wales Parliament, will be here and witnessing and participating in these celebrations. Just 2 weeks ago, we gathered with His Majesty, the Crown Prince, and special guests, many of whom are here today at Macefield Navy Base, just 300 metres away, to commission the Australian gifted landing craft for His Majesty's Royal Navy. To be together again on the shores of Tongatapu, celebrating another maritime milestone in our partnership, reminds us that Australia and Tonga are close partners and close Pacific nations. As island countries, we share the world's most beautiful ocean, and we're dependent on it. We share in its opportunities and risks for our economies and sovereignty. And ultimately, we share Feve Tokayaki, mutual responsibility and a shared future as custodians of this essential resource and highway. Today, our geographic bonds and shared future are reflected in our investment in Tonga's economy and the region's economic development. Through the Australian Infrastructure Financing Facility for the Pacific, AIFFP, we're proud to have partnered with the Asian Development Bank and the Government of Tonga to fund essential upgrades to one of Tonga's most critical economic infrastructure assets. The port handles over 95% of Tonga's container shipments, making it the primary gateway for trade between Tonga and the world. It ensures steady flow of essential supplies, we all know them, food, fuel, medicine and more, and empowers everyday Tongans by facilitating access to global markets. The wharf upgrade means the port is now more efficient, safer, and will continue to create jobs and opportunities here in Tonga. Australia believes that greater economic integration and investment in infrastructure make it easier for Tongans and Pacific people and Pacific businesses to connect, and for trade and investment to flow across the region. We're proud to work alongside the government and people of Tonga to support your economic and development aspirations. This upgraded port will make a difference right now, and it's also about Mateo Teo Kie Ka Hau, preparing for the future, just as the Constitution did in Tonga 150 years ago. I want to thank the Government of Tonga and the Asian Development Bank for being outstanding partners in this project. To the contractors, McConnell, thank you for your professionalism and your strong focus on utilising and upskilling Tongan labour on site. May I also congratulate the Government of Tonga, the ADB and McConnell on the groundbreaking of the new Lagoon Bridge last week. We share the country's excitement to see another transformative nation-building project now underway. Australia is proud to be ADB's 5th largest shareholder and the 2nd highest contributor to the Asian Development Fund, which of course supports important projects like the Lagoon Bridge. We understand the importance of infrastructure in Tonga. In addition to directly contributing Australian 31 million to the Salote Wharf, Australia has more than 65 million invested in live infrastructure projects right now across Tonga, from schools to hospitals to undersea cables. Last weekend I was in Hapai with Her Majesty Queen Nasipao to open the Hatatuo Community Hall, a place for learning, gathering and safety. It's fantastic to see these sorts of investments reaching into communities. Whether large or small, our projects are high quality, climate resilient and aligned with Tonga's national priorities and community aspirations, just like the port we celebrate today and the Parliament we will celebrate on Tuesday. Australia and Tonga share a strong and long-standing partnership going back more than 2 centuries, and it continues to strengthen at every level. Australia stands proudly with Tonga as we work together to meet the challenges of today and take advantage of the opportunities of tomorrow. Malopito, ofatu.
High Commissioner Australia, His Excellency Mr. Brett Bedley.
Ia whakamole pe mua na tāku ko te malaki halau te lie. Tuku ke me i te pe mua I loto tatau, kai haelea nge mua o whakaola ai ngā ue kō whea. O tatala ai maka o e whale uhila fo ou, pea hoko atu ki he haelea o e wafu Queen Salote kō whakafo ou, pea whakaola I pe mohono whakalahi o e wafu whikaua. Kia, I humbly seek His Majesty's graciousness to commission the upgraded work completed by unveiling the flag of the new substation, inspect the features of the upgrade works, and commission the new 50-metre extension of Wharf number 2. I invite Mr. Scott Cummins from McConnell and Mr. David Burby from Royal Haskellin to accompany His Majesty in the royal tour following the unveiling.
koe hange mo mea mai e whape koia koe ne afio e na koe ne haere atu tatala ai maka koni ai whare uhila pe foki ki e whakaola koia ai uhila ai whare uhila aia e ne apio King Tupou ano koe tangi ke haere pe ane apio whaola ai gahi mea koe ne wafu whawha pleanga Queen Salote wafu Queen Salote au lama mai me aseria hola toki taue taue katoa koe e pongpoini koe tuat mo kau wha peta mini ke nau kau i he mamata i he whaola koia oe ngahi nau koini i he wafu whawapleanga o Queen Salote e le apio King Tupou ano Tawaki whaka Tonga e ku wakai atu ai tu koia ai wafu ko Queen Salote koe ni apio i he hetu koia ke palo ai wafu Queen Salote wafu whawapureanga Ngai ko gahi peitu koni le whamatara kia e tō tāwha tau lama ana ping whanua ai haere holo ai tamatui ke whaola ai ngahi nau koia koe haere loloa rahi kau kau ai pe me kau whaafe mui ai pe ene apio Tonga ia wā te ngai whaki. From ATB, me ke Royal Corps of Musicians, a iwhia tau malu ia ina whio. Moto mea mai poki ki hono hopo ki koe wafo hono whalelei pe mono fofo o whahauko ki he wafo whawapureanga Queen Salote i he walfit poinima FAM pea moe Facebook BroadCom FM Broadcasting tau fia pea moto koia mei tua pureanga au ku tau kau whatahau koe mautoro koe ni tongani kai kā toanga koe whamanatu whataha pe pea moe tau teo nemao fulu o e koni sūdoni ni koe whamano kai a ripine o e wafu Queen Salote wafu whawapureanga Queen Salote takai holo pe NFO i mo waku koini ke whao koe imis tā o e kātoa koi a ahon i e waku ka whapureanga Queen Salote koe moe iaipa me aipa moe ai komisiona Australia His Excellency Mr. Fred Bedley kama kobana senyale koe a Papua New Guinea Premier tokon Premier kau Minister Vela upito ai Ulukalala koe whakalata oku moko au pito whakalawetara e au e hala tūtonga pēr moe hala wuna kei tapasio ata. hoi a koe lava poke polo kama koe ni. O toi pe mo polo kama whare ani ngowe. Whau ko koia ki he marae o e apea ko malunga tonga. Oia ke mo nopo mai pe i he Wharfit poini ma e whae maa ka uma foki e Facebook a BroadCom FM Broadcasting. Kau la koia kahi nau koni tungai ai polo kama koia oe ahoni Hola toki kau e bawa ulah ke gune ase ya temin ke gune lawa mai kau kata hai ka to mai mo ko pia ai tau theo ni mo fu le ko ni su to ne ka kai polo ai tau ka e Pilo aki mo e ngai ka kai pia pe ani ko sela ka singa. Ka wai mo ngai pia ni ngai. Tue ko ia. O ku tau mana tua e ngai tau ko bari wat. Ngai ka kai le ilonga pe na ko we ngai ka aho ka tonga pe ni. Pa lo lama mai a hola me a seria ngai ka tonga ngai. Wo kun Salote. Ko ene afio ko ni afio anga ye taimini ke hoko te polo kalama ai ko e ngahi fameite ko wakai atu o wiheni ai klasi musika koia tama musika koia ai TTI ko Dedicatory Institute ko tui kana ko te nau hoko ai ngahi fameite koia
Afio ai hau kai whaka efi ate ki whaka me ite koe maalali pe oi aho mohono mahu inga koe tawake moi konga e whau a hio ke mai moa ako ai ene afio Tupou'ono i Australia pe whaka osi aki pe ai taulanga o Nuku'alofa Ko rea whakamalo e whakahoko ia he minista tāna ki Tuku'aho mo Kastomu, Honourable Mateni Tapu Eluelu. Ko himi tuku e lau ia e tale ki tapu lele ole o e potunga au e o ngahi ngau e lalahi te vita aho. Pea whakama opo e tau kātoanga a ki ai lotu, aia e whakahoko atu e he Palestini mālolo.
Ko ia he taimini ko e whamei te ko e tawake, ko e mai moa e mai moa. A ko koi e tamtui ki Tupou ono. Whaon a ahio Koloponua Titi ai Heu ngā hina e runga
Taulanga o Nuku'alofa Ua fuko muna Moe o tusitoa Whale kasa pera Moe mamaloa Moa uni heri Kai teu sinonga He si taulanga o Nuku'alofa Ua fuko muna Moe o tusitoa Whale kasa pera Moe mamaloa Moa uni heri Kai teu sinonga He oi aue E te ngalo nai a whe Si'ilu Me kosi e kupere He ika I te kenga Lo e pou
Kolofo noa taulanga Nuku'alofa tawa ke koe ne taulunga ki ai e whanau koni me he Tupou Tertiary Institute hokatu ki he lea whamalo e whaukatu ia minista koia o e panga hau mai pehe poki ki he kasomu Honorable Mateni Tapueluelu.
Tapu ke la hopo e ono i kuonga koe tu koe hau ta liwa e o Tonga Tupou ono. Tapu me tam plinis klauni Tupouto'a Ulukalala. Tapu me kovana senyare Papua New Guinea se pop te tai. Pea kua kore ke hufanga atu i e tala whakatap kakato ko osi hono tautau a whaki. Kai ata me motu ani ke whakafofonga atu ai lea whakamalo o i kātoanga whakahistoriani. Ki oa, kua kore pe ke u whangofua ke whakakato atu e whatongiani he lea whakapritania. Te riha tau ka inga muri na nau whai mai a fu ofa mo e takoni lahi koe ni. Your Majesty, Tupou the 6th, Crown Prince, Tupouto'a Ulukalala, Governor General, Your Excellency, Bob Tadaya, the Honourable Prime Minister and members of Cabinet, Your Excellencies, members of the Diplomatic Corps, distinguished guests, development partners, ladies and gentlemen. I am humbled to stand before you this morning on behalf of the government and the people of Tonga to offer our words of heartfelt appreciation on this most significant occasion. We humbly express our deep appreciation to Your Majesty for graciously honoring this event with your royal presence. Your Majesty's vision, wisdom, and leadership continue to inspire unity, purpose, and progress across our beloved kingdom. The commissioning of this upgraded Queen Salote International Wharf stands as a testament to Your Majesty's commitment to advancing Tonga's prosperity and resilience for generations to come. This celebration carries even greater significance as it coincides with the 150th anniversary of the Constitution of Tonga, a moment of deep national pride. We pay tribute to the wisdom of our forefathers and to our kings, past and present, who provided and upheld the Constitution as the sacred foundation of our independence, peace, and identity. As we dedicate this modern port facility today, we do so in the same spirit of service and stewardship that has guided our kingdom for 150 years. We express our profound gratitude to our development partners, the Asian Development Bank, the Australian Infrastructure Financing Facility for the Pacific, and the Government of Australia for your generous support and enduring partnership. This project stands as a model of true collaboration and shared vision for sustainable development in the Pacific. To our contractor, McCannell Dowell Constructors Limited, we offer our sincere appreciation for your professionalism, quality workmanship, and commitment throughout the project. The result is a world-class facility that will serve as the heart of Tonga's Strait, and connectivity with the region, allowing me to collect more text. We also wish to acknowledge Royal Haskaning DHB, the supervision consultant for this project. Your technical expertise, oversight, and dedication have ensured that the works were completed to the highest international standards, ensuring both quality and safety in every aspect of delivery. To the board's authority, Tonga, CEO Alo Mailaseni, its board, management, and staff, Malo Albido, for your leadership, diligence, and tireless effort in guiding this project from conception to completion. Your coordination with the PMU and Ministry of Infrastructure and all supporting government agencies reflects the strength of unity and shared purpose within our public service. We also extend our deep appreciation to the acting president of the Free Wesleyan Church of Tonga, Reverend Alfred Atiola, for leading today's dedication prayer. The blessing upon this event reminds us that every achievement of our nation rests upon God's grace and guidance. May His continued favor be upon this new facility and those who work in it. As we celebrate both the commissioning of this vital national infrastructure and the 150 years of our Constitution, let us reaffirm our shared responsibility to serve with humility, to protect our legacy entrusted to us, and to work together for a stronger, united, and prosperous Tonga. May God continue to bless His Majesty the King and the Kingdom of Tonga. Pea ke tau kore ai pe ia kāinga, ke poupou ai eiki ke tau lotu, o malui a Tupou, o whātu, malo apito.
Ka koe mateni tapu elueru, ka ko himi whaosi koe kare kita leo leo o e moi, te witaho, me he loko kai ano, whas moi api.
Kono whāngeau wau noa himi, whāwau noa, katak mo mea peilang. Kainga, tū masisu e, tū ke matu, oa e vai vai. Pāpe peau, kai ngā aue. Hange, a makatu ita. Tū ke matu, o oa e ngā aue. Hange, a makatu ita. Tū ke matu masisu e, sisisu, nai kalu se whai. Whakaosi, tari ayangi pua pe, oa e whiri ho la kanga. Tau ko tokolahi e, tau ai pe o ka tokota. Tū ke matu o oa e ngā aue, hange ha makatu ita. Tū ke matu ma sisu e, sisisu nai kalu se whai.
Oh,
tua mafi koe maabobo e katoanga. O e hoani mauto e hapai atu. A whei tauraro e a Fiona. Tā boa ki mo whakamonu ia. E whakahifo e uta. E whakaheka e uta. E tauranga koe ni. E koe maulotu e ki longa mea ku whakahifo mai ki he tauranga ani. Koe mea ku lelei, koe mea ku aonga. Koe mea ku langa hake. Koe ngā mea ku holoki whonua. Ka ofia. Ke oe nā hou mai he tauranga koe. Koe aha mea ku whakaheka he tauranga ani. Koe mea be ia ku lelei mo aonga. Pia mei he whonua. Tā boa ke o tua mafi. Ta mai mo e alo mo e lau maari e maa oni oni. Ke ia teki mautoru e hei ahoni. Ia whai mau ai pe o tai ngata, pia tai ngata. Amen.
Koe whasi whaponua ia, pia koe lawalele ia, ai kātoanga whawhiwhia, kātoanga whalau maari e, kātoanga whamawhana, ai io hono hopi, hono hopo koia o e wafu whawapureanga kuni Salote, rawa hano whalelei e poki, pia mono toe ngahi koia ha whakawhofa, moe ngahi ha mō teni au pito, ai wafu pea koe tue ai pe ko hola toki tawe ai pe pea moe liwa kia toe ha ere ia ki e palasi pea pe poke mātu patu pea moe kau wha pe pea lao ai pea natula moe moko neonga ai vela Ulukalala kai malu koia i he ngahi te niti moe pale kona koe kau wha pe moko au pito pe ai petaulaki koe ea o e halapuna moe whea winu e hala tūtonga koe lamilele ia kātoanga koia o e honi koe ngau te mai ai whamawhola ia mei he apea ko Tonga High School ai whaare ngoe kai whie whaponga atape kau whaiwatongia mei he wafu whawapureanga kuni Salote ko Wepi Lea Junior pe pokia whiuria paia pe mo ongo tare kita ko mesake pamokioa pea mo fuatare vutuifua ko anomano pea mo Katarina tohi malo abito ho mo mea mai ka mo mea
Oh well, you'll be able to get to Fiji faster than New Zealand.
Because this is harvesting cream.
Very flexible.
So yes. Oh, chasing.
Yes, it's very good. Don't let them get away.
Ulukalala, mau mama,